This is me, Urvashi Mishra. Here I am today to tell you something about alternative investments. Alternative investments, which have been used by large institutions and endowments for quite some time, have become more mainstream in recent years. Not only they are more popular among individual investors, but there are also more products available, making investment in alternatives possible for a much broader universe of investors. Given their non-traditional approach and their ability to invest in areas and ways traditional investments cannot, they have the potential to improve the overall return characteristics of a portfolio. Alternative investments. Now, what are alternative investments? They are the investments in assets other than stocks, bonds, and cash. Alternative investments tends to be somewhat illiquid. Alternative investments are best when used to diversify financial portfolios. Now, coming to benefits of alternatives, despite unique risks and considerations, alternative investments can be useful tools to improve the risk return characteristics of an investment portfolio. They can increase diversification and reduce volatility, given low correlations to more traditional investments, and they can offer the potential for enhanced returns due to the wider investment opportunity sets. In benefits of alternative investment, we have diversification. While alternative investments on their own may have higher volatility than more traditional investment, particularly fixed income, they typically have low correlations to and do not move in lockstep with more traditional asset classes. Coming to second benefit, it is return. Because they have a wider universe in which to invest, public or private, and do not have some of the same investment constraints, can be short selling or hedge. Alternative investments have the potential for higher long return performance than traditional investments. Coming to risk, they have a higher fees. Coming to liquidity, first is fees. They tend to have a higher fees in management also, and in additional to incentive fees. Second, their complexity. They are more complicated. This include the wide variety of investments like derivatives and utilize short selling. Third is transparency. These are less transparent into the underlying holdings of these investments. Liquidity, they are less liquid. They are illiquid in terms of investment. Less tax consequences. They are less tax friendly. Potential, they may disappoint in stronger markets, and they may not diversify risk in extreme down markets. Now, coming to types of alternative investments: private equity, real estate, hedge funds, private debt, venture capital. Private equity is a fund that invests into private companies with an aim to profit from the growing value of business through a controlling stake. For example, Burger King, Boots Pharmacy, etc. With private equity with annual return of 15% to 25% and average duration of 5 to 10 years of average duration. Second comes real estate. Real estate makes equity or debt investments into stable cash flow generative properties or riskier property developments with 5% to 20% annual return and with 3 to 10 years of average duration. Third comes hedge funds. Hedge funds that invest money in anything that they believe will make a profit. So they try to find profitable returns across all types of market conditions with 2 to 5 to 15% of annual return and 1 month to 3 years of average duration. Third comes private debt. Private debt is a investment into various private debt instruments or loans to deliver superior risk adjusted returns versus savings and bonds. This comes with 5% to 15% of annual return and 1 to 8 years of average duration. Fifth comes venture capital. Venture capital invests into early stage emerging companies into profit from growing an ideal or startup company into a large and successful company. For example, Uber, Airbnb, WhatsApp, etc. With venture capital gives 15 to 30% of annual return and 5 to 10 years of average duration. Conclusion: when used appropriately, alternative investments can potentially enhance the overall risk return profile of an investment portfolio. There are unique benefits but also unique risks associated with these non traditional investment strategies, and as such, it is paramount that investors be comfortable with alternatives when incorporating them into their investment strategy. Thank you. Hope you like the video.